Welcome back. Today, we're putting the white paper to social media converter template to the test. It's the perfect tool for quickly turning long-form content into engaging LinkedIn carousels. To get started, the workflow visits the paper's URL. First, it checks if the content is exceptionally long. If not, it simply scrolls the page and extracts all the data at once. However, if it's a long-form document, the script enters a loop to scrape the page in smaller, manageable chunks, focusing only on the visible sections. Inside the Run tab, the agent successfully validates the instructions. Because the long content condition was met, the workflow is executing the loop to scrape data section by section. We are now ready to proceed to the n8n configuration. I have included documentation within n8n via sticky notes. The workflow triggers by fetching links from a Google Sheets node. We then implement a loop to pass each item to the BrowserAct node, which processes the URL and outputs the raw page data. The next step involves the AI agent. The agent processes the scraped data to generate a specific HTML output for templateAPI.io. This data is then passed to the template API node. Once the output is received, the workflow records the final result into the database. The API template.io is completely free to start. Just sign up and create a custom HTML template. This is the same template we'll select within our n8n nodes, and I'll be sure to share the HTML code with you to use it for your template. When the AI agent passes the JSON formatted HTML to the node, this code generates high-quality LinkedIn carousels and sends a download link straight back to you. This is the final carousel example. Although it is exported as a PDF, it is fully customizable for use as LinkedIn slides. That concludes today's workflow. Thank you for watching.